It's easy to misjudge the distance, and some chicks fall short. But the devoted parent sticks close by and encourages his offspring to take the last few steps toward the waves. Other chicks land a long way from the sea. Remarkably, most of them survive the impact. But this maiden voyage may also be their last. The Arctic fox mother with 8 young kids to feed. So many free meals fall from the sky, she runs from one kill to the next. The chicks will fledge for only 3 days, so she knows to make the most of this bonanza.